Where does your mind wander throughout the day? What do you spend most of your time thinking about? These are important questions. What you focus on, you give energy to. It's like shining a flashlight in a dark room. Whatever you point the light at becomes illuminated. Your thoughts work the same way. When you focus on something, whether it's positive or negative, you give it power. Focusing on worries and anxieties only makes them seem bigger. But when you focus on your goals and dreams, you start to attract those things into your life. This is the law of attraction in action. It's not about wishing for things to happen. It's about aligning your energy with what you want to experience. And it all starts with your focus. Think of your mind as a garden. What you plant in that garden will grow. Plant seeds of doubt and fear, and you'll harvest negativity. But plant seeds of hope, love, and gratitude, and you'll cultivate a life filled with joy and abundance. It's easy to get stuck in the past. We often find ourselves trapped in a loop, replaying the same scenes over and over again in our minds. We replay old memories, rehash past hurts, and dwell on what could have been. These moments, though long gone, seem to have a grip on our hearts and minds. But the past is gone. It's over. No matter how much we wish we could change it, the hands of time move only forward. And when we cling to it, we prevent ourselves from experiencing the fullness of the present moment. The beauty of now is lost when our minds are anchored in what was. Living in the past creates a state of lack. It fosters a sense of emptiness, as if something vital is perpetually missing from our lives. We focus on what we don't have, what we've lost, or what went wrong. This negative focus drains our energy and keeps us from seeing the opportunities right in front of us. This keeps us feeling incomplete, dissatisfied, and like something is missing. It's a cycle that feeds on itself, growing stronger with each passing day. It's like trying to drive a car while looking only in the rearview mirror. You'll crash. You can't move forward if you're constantly looking back. The past has valuable lessons to teach us. It's a book filled with insights and wisdom, but it shouldn't be the only book we read. But it shouldn't be a place where we choose to live. We must learn to close the door on yesterday and step into the new day with hope and courage. When you find yourself dwelling on past regrets or mistakes, gently remind yourself that you're not that person anymore. You've evolved, and your past does not define your future. You've grown, you've learned, and you're ready to create a new and brighter future. Each day is a new opportunity to plant seeds of hope and watch them grow. It's time to let go of the past and step fully into the present moment. Release the weight of yesterday and embrace the possibilities of today. The present is where life is happening, and it's brimming with possibilities. Every moment is a chance to start anew, to write a new chapter in your story. Embrace the joy, the challenges, and the beauty of the present. It's in these moments that we truly live, grow, and find our true selves. So take a deep breath, look around, and appreciate the now. The past is a memory, the future a dream, but the present is a gift waiting to be unwrapped. The present moment is all we ever have. It's the only place where we can experience life, create change, and find true joy. Yet we often let it slip away, lost in thoughts about the past or worries about the future. When we shift our focus to the present moment, something magical happens. We become fully engaged in our lives. We notice the beauty around us. We appreciate the simple things, and we open ourselves up to new opportunities. In the present moment, there's no fear, no anxiety, no regret. There's just a sense of peace, acceptance, and possibility. It's in this space of presence that we can connect with our true selves, tap into our creativity, and manifest our deepest desires. Making the present moment a priority doesn't mean ignoring the past or neglecting the future. It simply means giving your full attention to the now. Savor each experience. Engage in meaningful conversations. Appreciate the little things that make life special. Section 4. Thoughts and Feelings. The Architects of Reality. Our thoughts and feelings are incredibly powerful. They are the unseen forces that shape our perceptions and influence our actions. They shape our perceptions, influence our actions, and ultimately create our reality. Every thought we entertain, every feeling we nurture, contributes to the tapestry of our lives. Every experience we have, every relationship we build, every success we achieve starts with a thought. These thoughts are the seeds we plant in the fertile soil of our minds. When we focus on negative thoughts, we cultivate negative feelings. These feelings then influence our actions and attract more negativity into our lives. These feelings then influence our actions and attract more negativity into our lives. It becomes a cycle, a self-fulfilling prophecy that can be hard to break. It becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. The more we dwell on what we fear or dislike, the more we seem to encounter it. But the opposite is also true. When we choose to focus on positive thoughts, we generate positive feelings. When we choose to focus on positive thoughts, we generate positive feelings. These feelings empower us, inspire us, and attract more positivity into our experience. These feelings empower us, inspire us, and attract more positivity into our experience. We begin to see opportunities where we once saw obstacles. We begin to see the good in every situation, attract supportive relationships, and create a life filled with joy and abundance. Our world transforms as our inner landscape changes. The key is to become aware of our thoughts and feelings without judgment. By observing them, we can understand their origins and their impact on our lives. When we notice negative thoughts arising, we can choose to gently redirect our focus to something more positive. This practice requires patience and persistence. We can choose to focus on gratitude, love, hope, or anything that uplifts our spirits and empowers us. By doing so, we become the true architects of our reality, crafting a life that reflects our highest aspirations and deepest joys. Remember, the power to shape our reality lies within us. Through conscious effort and mindful practice, we can transform our thoughts and feelings, and in turn, transform our lives. As we cultivate positive thoughts and feelings, we not only enhance our own lives, but also positively influence those around us. Our energy becomes a beacon of light, inspiring others to do the same. So let us embrace the power of our thoughts and feelings. Let us become the architects of our reality, building a world filled with love, hope, and endless possibilities. Section 5. Joe Dispenza, Rewiring Your Reality. Dr. Joe Dispenza, a renowned neuroscientist and author, has dedicated his life to studying the power of the mind to heal the body and transform reality. His groundbreaking work has inspired countless individuals to explore the untapped potential within their own minds. His work centers around the idea that we are not limited by our genes or our past experiences. Instead, we have the capacity to transcend these limitations and create a new reality for ourselves. We have the innate ability to change our thoughts, beliefs, and perceptions, and in doing so, change our lives. This concept is both empowering and liberating, as it places the power of transformation directly into our own hands. Dispenza's research shows that when we repeatedly focus on a particular thought or feeling, we create new neural pathways in the brain. These pathways are like trails in a forest. The more we walk them, the clearer and more defined they become. Over time, these pathways become stronger, making it easier to think and feel in that new way. This is the essence of neuroplasticity, the brain's remarkable ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections throughout life. This is the process of neuroplasticity, and it's the key to creating lasting change. By understanding and harnessing this process, we can effectively rewire our brains to support new habits, behaviors, and ways of thinking. According to Dispenza, the key to rewiring our brains and transforming our reality is to combine elevated emotions with clear intentions. This means that it's not enough to simply think about what we want. We must also feel the emotions associated with having it. When we can generate feelings of joy, gratitude, love, or peace while simultaneously focusing on what we want to create, we send a powerful message to the universe. This combination of thought and emotion is what aligns our energy with our desires. We align our energy with our desires, making it more likely that they will manifest in our lives. This alignment is crucial because it ensures that our thoughts, emotions, and actions are all working together towards the same goal. Dispenza's work offers a powerful message of hope and empowerment. It teaches us that we are not passive observers of our lives, but active participants who have the ability to shape our own destinies. It reminds us that we are not victims of our circumstances. Instead, we are the architects of our own reality, capable of overcoming obstacles and achieving our dreams. We have the power to change our minds, change our lives, and create a reality that is in alignment with our deepest desires. By embracing the principles of neuroplasticity and the power of our thoughts and emotions, we can unlock a future filled with limitless possibilities. The journey of rewiring our reality is not always easy, but it is undoubtedly worth it. It requires dedication, practice, and a willingness to step outside of our comfort zones. However, the rewards are profound as we begin to see the world through a new lens and experience life in a more fulfilling and meaningful way. As we continue to practice these principles, we become more adept at creating the life we desire. Each day presents a new opportunity to reinforce our new neural pathways and strengthen our commitment to personal growth and transformation. In the end, rewiring our reality is about more than just changing our thoughts. It's about embracing a new way of being. It's about living with intention, cultivating positive emotions, and believing in our ability to create the life we envision. With each step we take on this journey, we move closer to realizing our true potential and living a life that is truly aligned with our highest aspirations.